we go. Okay. This is an old laptop. The hard drive died. I have procrastinated since when this customs label was signed on the 26th of June to replace this hard drive. Here's a 40 gigabyte Fujitsu. I can remember how to disassemble this. There's the drive. And there it is, the amazing IBM Travel Star, the drive known for dying and corrupting people's files all the time. With it, that's an HDST drive. This Fujitsu drive, it's 40 gig. It's a lot newer. This Travel Star is from February of 2002. This one's from 2006. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, the floppy drive hole's in the way. Why won't it slide? Oh, it's that! You see, on the IBM drive, there was a gap. On this one, there isn't. So we need to get rid of this foam. I might have to take the motherboard out because that steel looks like it'll prevent this from going in. Yeah, look, there's a block there that was not there on the IBM drive. Okay, this camera is terrible. I've just spent the longest time trying to get it set up. But you can, with the good exposure and stuff. You can see, so you actually really can on this camera, but the problem is the hard drive can't go in the whole way. So it's this line, and I can't get this board out. So I have to do something very risky. That is using a Dremel on this. even though the motherboard's still in there. If I just put my mouse pad there, I'm in my garage now, if you couldn't tell from the brick floor and shit camera. Done. Now I'm saying I would have much preferred if I could have done this with the board out. So there'd be a 0% chance of any of this metal shaving getting on the board. But and yes, this hard drive replacement was a success. I don't have any video of it actually booted into Windows XP, but Windows XP did install correctly onto it. I'm just surprised I was able to Dremel out a laptop's case without completely ruining the laptop due to the fact I couldn't remove the motherboard. I'm surprised none of the metal shavings that I couldn't vacuum out didn't short the board at all, but I think I got most of them with an air compressor and the vacuum cleaner. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, like and subscribe for more random videos like this. Goodbye.